what we gotta do. Take those the screws out. Thing pops off. You need H13 bulb. $20 or so, 25 bucks. It's a pretty easy thing to do. This is a Western. It's almost the same exact thing for the Fisher. You see, goes off the same way. Snaps on one side, 2 bolts. This is actually, yeah, this is similar lights. This is the Fisher. This is the Western. Pretty similar lights and same bulbs, same displays. So all I'm gonna do is back these two out, pop this off, and go in here. I didn't want my screws to fall, so I've been backing them out all the way. A little rusty. Nothing living in there, I guess that's good. It all will go. Oh, where's the camera? Gone. Obliterated. This has a little tab right there to squeeze. Mine didn't do nothing. I had to hold on to it, pry it off with a screwdriver. Some gook in there. You could try putting dielectric grease on the terminals, but it doesn't really seem like any water gets in there. It's pretty dry and dusty, if anything, so not too worried about it. Oh, there goes the old bulb. So new one. Just put it in there, connect it on. Switch hands. Do it all by feel. There we go. Garbage.